Welcome to the Blueprint Atlas. Humans pride themselves on inventing paper 2,000 years ago. But a tiny, fierce creature was building sky-high paper empires millions of years earlier. Welcome to the Blueprint Atlas, where we decode nature's most mind-bending designs. They don't write on this paper. They build floating megacities with it. Her blueprints are timeless, efficient, and endlessly inspiring for humanity's future. Its saliva mixes with the fibers, initiating a complex biochemical transformation in its mouth.
Text overlay reveals a startling truth. Paper was invented 200 million years ago.
These insects create complex, multi-tiered hanging cities that defy our architectural physics rules. Think about how fragile paper is. It dissolves in water instantly. A single strong gust of wind can rip a paper sheet to shreds. Yet, these wasps must rely on this delicate material to shield their entire colony. Vicious predators and torrential storms threaten thousands of vulnerable lives inside every day. How can a structure lighter than an apple bear thousands of growing offspring? If rainwater penetrates the structure, the entire empire dissolves into mush and collapses. A massive storm strikes, wind and rain lashing against the hanging paper nest. Yet water droplets magically bounce right off the nest's outer paper walls. An analysis HUD overlay shows rain erosion hitting the fragile outer paper material. The screen flashes a warning. Material integrity is expected to fail under rain. But it does not fail. The secret lies in a microscopic chemical factory. The wasp does not simply chew wood. It manufactures a custom waterproof biopolymer. This organic glue transforms ordinary wood pulp into a resilient, waterproof composite material. The outer walls are constructed with complex, wavy, layered folds of paper. These corrugated layers trap millions of tiny static pockets of air between them. This creates an incredibly efficient insulation system against extreme heat or freezing cold. Inside, a perfect hexagonal grid layout distributes mechanical stress and heavy weight evenly. An X-ray scan camera slides through the wavy protective layers of the nest. A microscopic view shows the cellulose fibers bound tightly by glowing protein resin. The blue-tinted bioglue acts as a supernatural, self-healing shield for the colony. HUD overlays identify the structural secrets, highlighting the active thermal air pockets. The hexagonal matrix glows brightly as weight stress distributes evenly across the core. It is an impregnable fortress, engineered by evolution over millions of grueling years. The city thrives through the hot summer, bustling with thousands of busy yellow jacket wasps.
Wasps fan their wings, using the air pockets to regulate internal nest temperature.
Deep inside the hexagonal cells, hungry larvae grow safe from the outside world. At its peak, the paper city is a marvel of collective social organization. As autumn winds blow, the life cycle of the colony begins to shift. A city this perfect should last forever. But here, is the great twist. When winter arrives, this massive, hyper-engineered paper empire is completely abandoned to freeze. Human structures of concrete and steel take thousands of years to slowly degrade. But this massive insect city dissolves completely back into the earth after one winter. Zero permanent waste. Not a single microplastic is left behind in the soil. The decaying nest actually enriches the soil, feeding new forest life in spring. This perfect loop has captured the attention of the world's most advanced minds. NASA aerospace engineers are currently studying this ancient paper architecture with great intensity. They aim to develop ultra-light, super-strong 3D materials for future deep space structures. A visual overlay bridges the WASP's organic patterns directly with space station hull designs. Text highlights this revolutionary concept, the absolute future of deep space architecture. The creature you often spray with pesticides is actually a master ecological architect. A close-up reveals the incredible focus of the wasp as it crafts its city. Nature has already solved the complex engineering problems we struggle with every day. They teach us how to build massive, functional cities with zero environmental footprint. High strength and biodegradable, their design philosophy could change our entire construction industry. Watch as the intricate paper fibers seamlessly morph into an advanced orbital station. From a forest tree branch to the cold, dark vacuum of Earth's orbit. Perhaps it is time we stop viewing these brilliant insects as simple backyard pests. They are the guardians of a millions of years old blueprint for sustainable, high-tech living.
Subscribe to the Blueprint Atlas as we continue exploring these incredible hidden marvels. Let us know in the comments if you would live in a paper city. Join us on our journey to decode the magnificent architectural blueprints of nature. Until next time, keep looking closer at the tiny wonders around us.